I just got back from the East Coast and had the most incredible chowder. So you know me, I had to get home and try it. And I made up this bacon and cauliflower chowder and it came out just incredible. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, we'll add our bacon to a Dutch oven and this is over medium-high heat. And I'm just going to fry this up until it's cooked through. You don't want it overly crispy. Once the bacon is cooked up to about this point, I'm just going to set it aside on a plate. And you know, if you want it super crispy, you can go ahead and fry it a little more, but this is about perfect for me. Now the bacon is cooked, I'm going to add in half a chopped onion. Just a white onion. Use the onion of your choice. Red even does. 2 stalks of chopped celery. And the star of the show, some cauliflower. And we're just going to break these into fairly small pieces, something like that. And if you want to make life really easy, you can buy them pre-cut or pre-floretted, if that's a word. If not, we just make them up. Add these in with the rest of the veggies. Oh, this is going to be so deliciously good. I'm going to add in a bit of salt just to make these guys sweat. And of course, some ground black pepper, my favorite spice. And saute these up in that bacon grease, just to the point where they're tender crisp. While we're waiting for the veggies to get tender, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of flour to a cup of milk. And give this a stir. Try and get it as lump-free as I can. Now our veggies are tender, I'm going to add in my milk mixture. Give this a little stir just to ensure everything is lump-free. Look at that, it's starting to get creamy already. Add in 4 cups of chicken stock. Now you can use vegetable stock, but just don't use beef stock. It's too rich and just too much of a mismatch. And give it a stir. And bring it to a soft boil. After a soft boil, we're going to add the bacon back in. And a teaspoon of dried parsley. And if you have fresh parsley, by all means use it. Give this a stir, and we'll allow this to simmer, I'd say, maybe for about 5 or 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, I'm going to add in half a cup of heavy cream. And give it a stir one more time, just until it's rich and creamy. After simmering for about 5 or 10 minutes, just look at this, guys. It's thick, it's creamy, just wonderful chowder. So I'm going to kill the heat, and we're ready to serve. Okay, let's ladle this into a bowl. Oh, this looks and smells so wonderful, guys. And I always have my chowder, or any soup for that matter, with some crushed up crackers. You can use salted or unsalted. And some more crispy bacon over the top. Oh, just incredible. And to make it real pretty, a little bit more parsley over the top, just for a garnish. And there you have it, guys, our simply delicious and easy bacon and cauliflower chowder. All right, let's dig in here, guys. Make sure we get a little bit of everything here. Wow, just look at this, guys. Absolutely spectacular. And it's a perfect day for it. I mean, it's raining out, so, and it's cool. Okay. Chowder on a cool, rainy day. You gotta love it. It's so good. It's creamy. It's rich. I love the bacon. The veggies still have a touch of crispness to them. Nice seasoning. Really good. I just love it with crackers. I don't know about you. Maybe you can let me know in the description section below. So good. And remember, stay tuned for our community time. And have more. So anyway, guys, a few things for community. Had a wonderful trip to the East Coast. I hope you had a chance to watch our video. I just absolutely fell in love with it. I mean, I'm to the point where I'd consider moving there. So many spectacular things to see, but check out the video. You know, you'll get a real feel for it and know exactly what I mean. Secondly, I put out a picture yesterday and a question. When do you put up your Christmas tree? And a lot of people said, I got various opinions. Some said they're doing it this weekend. Others said, you know, after Thanksgiving, the 1st of December. And some people even said, well, I leave my tree up year round, which is kind of interesting. I don't think I'd go that far, but you know, if you like Christmas that much, that's okay. Something we really want to do is offer a Christmas contest. And on the website, you can just go there. There'll be a link, a very visible link. You can click it and then put a picture of your house or your Christmas tree, all your decorations, and you can vote on all those pictures, and we'll do either an Amazon gift card or a cash giveaway for the top picture or pictures. We have to work out those details too. And also we might do 2 contests, one with pictures of your tree or your house, whatever it may be, and your decorations, and one for food. So that we'll have to decide. I'll announce all the details in the next video. So other than that, I hope you try the chowder. It was wonderful. It would work well with broccoli too, and especially any kind of seafood. So thanks for watching, guys, and as always, stay safe and see you next time.